Hello, welcome. Today let us have trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Already you have learned what are trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, how to find them, and today you are going to learn about trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. In short, we say T ratios of complementary angles. Already you have learned in your earlier classes that what are complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree and one angle is the complement of the other. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, one angle is the complement of the other. And in trigonometry, what are T ratios of complementary angles? Let us have the class. Suppose ABC is a right angled triangle in which this angle C is theta and one angle is 90 degree, other angle is theta, then angle A will be 90 minus theta. Yes or no? And for this angle theta, AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, AC is the hypotenuse on this. Okay? So let us find T ratios of ratio for this angle theta. Sin theta is opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side BC by hypotenuse AC. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side AC by AB. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side AC by BC. And cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side, that is BC by AB. So for angle theta we found the T ratios. Okay, sin theta, cos theta and all. Same way, let us find the T ratios for this 90 minus theta angle. Okay, let me find sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin of this is opposite side is BC by hypotenuse AC. Sin of the angle is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos 90 minus theta is adjacent side AB by AC. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Sorry, this is 90 minus theta. For this 90 minus theta, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to hypotenuse AC by opposite side BC. And sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. For this angle, adjacent side is AB. And cot 90 minus theta is adjacent side AB by opposite side BC. So for these two angles, I found T ratios. Now let us observe which are equal to each other. Sin theta is AB by AC. Here cos 90 minus theta is AB by AC. That means sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Then cos theta is BC by AC. Sin 90 minus theta is BC by AC. That means cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Okay. Now let us see tan theta is AB by BC and cot 90 minus theta is AB by BC. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Okay. Same way we can see. Okay, let us have this. Cot theta is BC by AB and tan 90 minus theta is BC by AB. So cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. Again, cosec theta is AC by AB. Sec 90 minus theta is AC by AB. That means cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta, and sec theta is AC by BC. Cosec 90 minus theta is AC by BC. So sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. So in the same triangle, if one angle is theta, other angle will be 90 minus theta because it is a right angled triangle. And we found that sine and cos are complementary to each other, tan and cot are complementary to each other, and cosec and sec are complementary to each other. Okay, already you have learned which are reciprocal. Sine and cosec are reciprocal, cos and sec are reciprocal, tan and cot are reciprocal, but complementary. Sine and cos are complementary, tan and cot are complementary, sec and cosec are complementary to each other. Tan and cot are both complementary and also reciprocal. Okay, by practice you will be able to remember very well. Thank you.